I am now interviewing Carlos Canto, and I'm just going to ask him. I'm just going to ask you some questions about longevity in general and advice you would give to young professionals. So, what got you into the space of longevity, health span, lifespan, that kind of a thing?
Well, I got into the space is exactly the same reason as probably everybody. But it's getting older, and especially I was coming from the field of exercise physiology, and we knew that exercise physiology was a good way to prevent age-related physiological decline. And I think the first question that we ask in our minds is, well, why does this happen, and what could be the puzzles between exercise and the fact of performing muscle contraction onto the prevention of disease, especially metabolic disease associated with aging.
And so, what advice would you give to young professionals and people who are looking to get into this field? What advice would you give them if they're looking for research projects or just to get into this field in general?
I think the first and foremost question is that I don't think today we have figured out why do we age and what does determine the speed at which we age, which is obvious that within different humans we age at different speeds. And I think that my advice would be, let's first try to understand the problem that we are facing, and then let's face the solutions when we know the problem that we're facing. But so far, now it's a riveting journey to try to understand exactly what's going on over here.
And then what are some of the challenges and successes that you face in this industry?
Well, I would say the challenges is that probably we often try to build the house from the roof, and that's often quite difficult in order to make it effective, and this has led to a number of probably not meeting expectations or failures in the lab because we are often trying to go too far. And I would say in terms of successes, I go back to the same point. I mean, whenever we try to look at the mechanisms, this has helped massively in building the next steps towards therapies, and especially in my field, in the field of NAD precursors, understanding NAD biology has made a major difference in building NAD-based therapeutics.
Thank you so much for talking to me. I really appreciate it.